Kanban is a technique that was developed by Toyota, and it's used a lot in lean manufacturing. But it's also been adapted for agile projects. The basic idea of a Kanban is to make work visual so that everyone can see what tasks are currently being worked on and what their status is. A typical Kanban board has one task in each row and a series of progress milestones in the columns. Then you can use note cards or markers to show how each task is progressing. Here's an example of a simple Kanban. There are 3 tasks on the left, and you can easily tell the status of each task by looking to see which column is marked. Kanbans let everyone see what's happening, and they make it easy to catch tasks that may be stuck or that are slipping behind. While it's traditional to make Kanbans on a wall or a whiteboard, you can also create electronic Kanbans using a spreadsheet or with specialized software. In order for Kanbans to be useful, they need to be accurate. So the tasks need to describe the things people are actually working on, and the status needs to be updated frequently.